On March 23, 2026, drone pilot Joe Tegtmeyer flew his usual early morning pass over Gigafactory Texas and saw something that stopped the Tesla community cold. A vehicle body, large, wrapped in blue plastic, sitting inside a wooden shipping crate surrounded by fabrication pallets that did not look like any standard Model Y anybody had seen before. It looked longer, noticeably longer, and the rear of the vehicle was different enough that the entire Tesla internet immediately split into two camps. This is the Model YL finally heading to America, or this is something we have not been shown yet. Both possibilities are genuinely exciting. Which one it actually is, and what it means for Tesla's vehicle lineup, is exactly what we are breaking down today. Start with what the images show clearly. The windshield, side windows, and roof glass match Model Y proportions closely enough that a standard Model Y cannot be ruled out on those elements alone. But the rear is where the story changes. The slope of the roofline at the back is noticeably less dramatic than the standard Model Y. It does not cut off as sharply. The rear window opening appears significantly larger. These are not ambiguous observations. Multiple analysts, community members, and automotive journalists independently reached the same conclusion by comparing the drone images to known Model Y and Model YL silhouettes. The stretched rear profile, the gentler roofline slope, and the larger rear glass opening are all consistent with the Model YL, which is approximately 7.3 inches longer than the standard Model Y with a 5.9-inch wheelbase extension. The Model YL launched in China in August 2025 and has since expanded to Australia, New Zealand, South Korea, Thailand, and the Netherlands. In China, it captured 27% of Tesla's Model Y segment sales within months of launch, with roughly 4,000 weekly registrations at its peak. The vehicle adds a genuine third row, 2-2-2 seating with captain's chairs in the middle row, giving adults usable legroom in row 3 for the first time in Tesla's lineup. The rear roof is taller and more upright. Cargo capacity reaches approximately 89.6 cubic feet. It starts at 339,000 yuan in China, equivalent to roughly $49,300. More expensive than the standard Model Y, but meaningfully cheaper than what the Model X cost before production ended. The timing of this sighting is impossible to ignore. Tesla ended Model X production in Q2 2026. The Fremont lines that built both the Model S and Model X are being converted for Optimus robot manufacturing. With those vehicles gone, Tesla's lineup for American families who need more than 5 seats is now essentially empty. The 3-row Model YL is the obvious candidate to fill that gap. It already exists, it already works, it is already selling at scale in multiple international markets, and producing it at Giga Texas would require relatively modest retooling compared to building an entirely new platform from scratch. Industry analysts expect Tesla to localize Model YL production at Giga Texas by mid to late 2026 to serve the American family market. Elon Musk's position on U.S. availability has been deliberately ambiguous. In August 2025, when asked directly, he said U.S. production would not start until end of 2026, and then added that it might not happen at all given the direction of self-driving in America. That comment landed awkwardly at the time and has not aged well. A crated Model YL body sitting at Giga Texas in March 2026 is not consistent with a vehicle that Tesla has no intention of building in the U.S. These bodies are most likely test mules shipped from Giga Shanghai. the standard practice when Tesla is setting up production of a new vehicle variant at a different factory. The body shows up first, so engineers can validate tooling, fit, and process before committing to full production line reconfiguration. Then there is the cyber SUV question, which is the more speculative but more exciting thread running through this whole discussion. Musk responded to a request for a Tesla minivan on X with, "Something way cooler than a minivan is coming." He did not elaborate. In 2025, eagle-eyed viewers spotted small-scale clay models in the background of an official Tesla video, one of which appeared to be a large, Cybertruck-derived SUV profile. Tesla chief designer Franz von Holzhausen was asked about it and said, "Wait and see." Two different sightings, two deliberate non-denials. A cyber SUV built on the Cybertruck platform, 48-volt architecture, steer-by-wire, adaptive suspension, but with a fully enclosed 3-row cabin instead of a truck bed, and without the stainless steel exoskeleton that drives manufacturing cost and consumer resistance, would address the full-size SUV segment Tesla has never meaningfully competed in. It would compete directly against the Kia EV9 and Rivian R1S in a market where Americans have demonstrated they will pay serious money for space and capability. The community reaction to this drone footage reveals something important about where Tesla customers are right now, emotionally. Thousands of people texted friends, shared posts, and argued in comment sections for days over a blurry image of a blue, plastic-wrapped vehicle body in a parking lot. Nobody was that excited about Terafab or the Cortex supercomputer or any of the AI announcements that dominate Tesla's strategic narrative in 2026. They were excited about the possibility of being able to buy a bigger Tesla. That gap between what Tesla's leadership talks about and what Tesla's customers want to purchase is real, and it is widening. The Cybercab is not yet commercially available. Full self-driving is not yet at the level where most Americans would hand their family over to it. And during the years it takes to get there, a Model YL or a cyber SUV would sell in genuinely massive numbers. The most likely interpretation of what Tegtmeyer captured on March 23rd is a Model YL body shipped from Giga Shanghai for U.S. production validation testing. The silhouette evidence is strong, the timing relative to Model X discontinuation is compelling, and the manufacturing logic, bring a few bodies from an existing factory to validate local tooling before committing to full production, is exactly how Tesla has set up every new vehicle launch at a new facility. A U.S. Model YL at a price point meaningfully below the departed Model X, with a genuine 6-seat, adult-capable interior, would be one of the most commercially obvious decisions Tesla could make in 2026. Whether the body at Giga Texas turns out to be the Model YL, an early cyber SUV prototype, or something else entirely, the reaction to it is the real story. People want a bigger Tesla, not a robotaxi they cannot own, not a humanoid robot assistant that will not be ready until 2027 at the earliest. A vehicle with seats that they can buy. Tesla, more than almost any company on Earth, has the product, the technology, and the manufacturing capability to give them exactly that. The question is whether 2026 is the year it chooses to do so.